Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So here we're gonna show you how we do this. We beautify it, washing it and then passing the flat iron. A little bit of blow drying, but I'm gonna show you how my hair looks and how it looks after. The first step is gonna be wash the hair after a few days. Now that my hair is wet, as you can see, it's very puffy and it has curls, it's frizzy, it has all these different thicknesses. Okay, what I do now is that I grab the weightless hair oil from Victoria's Secret. I really like it. I shake it and I put it on my hair. Just a little bit because my hair is very dry, so I have to make sure that I can see that shine after we do all the job. Okay, then I like to put a little bit of leave-in conditioner that is from Victoria's Secret also. Oh, what if I show it to you like this? Does it focus better? Okay, so you spray it. Okay, just a little bit. Though, it depends how much do you want, but I like to make sure my ends, when it comes to the leave-in conditioner, it really has it, because they get very dry. And right here, ooh, I sprayed one eye. I sprayed my eye. Now I'm gonna spray the other one right there. And now I do it. My baby's behind the camera, my husband, and my baby's laughing. Okay, so now that is done, you rub it just a little bit, down. Okay, and this one is a bio-infusion olive oil, a shine serum. I really like it. I've been using it for years now, to give it that extra oil. My hair needs a lot of oil. Rub until it's really hot, really warm. No.
Ends again, remember, ends everywhere. Because my hair is cutting layers, I have to really go deep into it. So then, that is done.
Dry my hair. Okay, getting hot. So, we're gonna be going for a walk. Hello, we have a guest with us. Hi. So she was seeing mommy, and now you guys can see, now that my hair is dry, now I'm gonna separate my hair into many different parts with scrunchies. Yay. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is that I'm going to separate the hair into many different parts with the scrunchies. What best helps me out is to separate it into little parts. So first I do the front. That is gonna be the part that I'm gonna put the heat on low because I don't want it to burn it. I think the baby hairs are very gentle in that area. So I do this, a little swirl, and done. So you can put one of these, or you can put anything you want, that you can hold something with. You see? So now that I got this part, it's gonna tight. Let me loose it up. Okay, there. I'm gonna do this part right here. So the fronts, I like to separate it like this kind of much hair. We do it again. And there. And we do it. You can do anything, like that. The important thing is that we separate the hairs. You see? Like that. That's kind of loose, but it's fine. I'm not gonna get there till a little bit later. Then I get this hair right here. Let's grab a little bit more hair. So we're gonna do this Okay, and we're gonna do this crime, the you know. If you do it actually very tight, the hair actually goes through. And then let's grab another one. Then we go like this. And okay, so now that you have your piece, your first piece that you're gonna be working on, this is very important. You're gonna separate that piece, and you need a big scrunchie for all the process. So you get it like this. Is the most comfortable for me, at least, or get what's comfortable for you. You see that right there? I work on my beginnings right there, but I don't overdo it because that part is really not, you know. So I pass my, no, let me show you my flat iron, the royal one I use, and I love it. Before I used this flat iron, there used to be one that was called Coriolis. Oh my gosh, that was my favorite one. Also, the heat for this, you know your hair, you know how much heat to put on your hair. For me, because my hair curls and it has also a lot of like texture on it, I use the 400, 450, and I pass it right here, but it has to be, you know, like quick. Don't leave the flat iron there a lot. You need to go like this, and you pass it. Try to put it as close as you can to the root, but don't put it too close because the steam that it throws the flat iron, it might end up burning your scalp. Okay, share by experience. Okay, after that, well, you just retouch it a little bit, you know. Okay, now that I'm done with that, then how about me stopping? Now I do the other. I separate it, you know, into the. I like to do when the heat is very high. I don't like to do the pieces too small. I like to do them, you know, like kind of medium, like as much hair, like not too much, not too little, because the heat is high, and if you grab 2 liter, it's gonna end up burning your hair. But if you grab, you know, a little bit more, it's gonna be perfect, you know. So you're gonna go like this, so don't pass it too quick, because when you pass a flat iron too fast also, it might give it a puffy feeling. You see, a puffy feel. This is not puffy. That's what you want. Okay, so this one is for straight hair. I can do curls with it also, but I don't want curls for this video. But I know how to do those curls with that flat iron. I don't need a curler, even though I have one right now. But honestly, I needed like a glove that separates a glove to protect my hands, because one time that I used it, I burned my hand. But I know how to do what this one does with this one. It's very simple. Very simple. Okay, so now I like to keep brushing it. So this is what I'm gonna be doing all the way to the front. I like to work bottom to the front, bottom to the front. So this one is gonna be the other one that I'm gonna do to end up the first piece. After this one, I'm gonna show you the end result of all my hair. But what you do, remember, when you feel the pieces are too big, separate it, and brush it. That also is gonna help you brush it, because you want those hairs to be all of them, like, you know. And also, you see what I'm doing? I'm not leaving it like that. I'm pulling it. I'm pulling the hair, and you go like this. Don't leave it on. Go try to find the hair. You see? I'm already doing it. Try to find the hair and go like that, and then keep. You see? Like that. Slow, not too fast. and there, done. And if you feel like your end is not that silky smooth, pass it again, you know, pass it again, and now it's done. Okay, now this is the last piece right there. So if you feel there's something in between your hair, move things around and you pull. You see, you brush, you hold, and you pull, and then you go like this. Don't grab your fingers like that. I like doing it like that when it's in the root. I grab again, I hold tight, and I slowly do it, and it's gonna be done. When it's done with that, I do it again, I brush again, and it's a little bit hot, and you do it here, and I'm done. Then you grab all the hair and you go like this, and you grab all of it and slow and done. You see, I'm gonna show you the end result. And that is how it is, nice and smooth. Okay, so now what I did to every part of the hair is that I took out what was holding and separating it for every other pieces, and then what I did is that I grabbed the serum. I'll make it. Grab the ends and the roots, push out the hair to the back so you can see the separation. Okay, so now we start. It's better to start from here to the front. That way you can just throw the hair to the back. Okay, so you go like this, you grab the flat iron, remember, like that, okay? You don't want that steam to burn your scalp. You go like this, and back. Hold it, not hard because the hair is hot. You brush it. That is good that your hand is oily. Don't clean that oil from your hand because it's gonna help you, you know, give that extra lubrication every time you pass the flat iron. Okay, then do it again. Don't put more oil in your hand, don't. Well, I'm not doing it because I want it silky smooth, but I don't want it greasy, you see. Okay, I grab that hair again. You see, I grab it hard and that happened. So you go back, boom, feels silky smooth. I'm just patient and persistence. I'm going, grabbing the same kind of amount. This is the part that you have to, you know, like, don't start style. Well, me, I don't style here. I just like put it straight and back, put straight and back, and I brush, straight and back, and here I grab it again, and keep, you know, giving it love right there. You see, skinny here, okay. And you go like this, boom, done. To the back, remember, like that, and we are done there. And now that we're done, we brush it, and this is the final result. Like that. You see? Look at the roots. They're straight. And this is the back. You see? Smooth. Okay, so now we're done. And after all this hard work and dedication, remember, let me brush here. Okay, remember, patience is what you'll need. Patience and persistence, and you're gonna have great results. Do you saw my hair before and my hair after? Beautiful, right? Okay, I wish you all the best. Have a great day, and I hope that when you do your hair, you can send me your results. I would love to see them. Remember to like the video. I would love to make some more. subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends.